What, Kate? Stay away from the window. See how it's sucking into it? It's pulling it. That means it's getting stronger. Yeah. The bathroom's the safest place. Yeah. Yep. It's just right above the trees.
Or they'll probably all.
Oh, you know what? Right here. Right here. See it? See it right there? It's right above us. Yeah, it's right there. Can you see the motion on it? I'm all right.
We didn't notice that.
It's
It hit my car last week. It's really bad.
Oh yeah, I can see the clouds
Now,
right there.
see how it's wrapping? Yep.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's getting bigger.
Yeah, it is. No, there,
Oh,
it
there
is.
it is.
There it is.
Yep. Yep. See them right there.
Yep.
1, 2. Yep. There it is right there.
Let's go to the bathroom. Come on.
You got? Can somebody just listen to me or yell? Okay.
Holy cow. That's really picking up stuff.
Yeah, it's like.
Wow. Boy, I almost wish I was just on my face instead of here. Holy crap. Should we try to evacuate?
I don't know. It's too late. Dang it. That's not good, man. You know what? Yeah, it's coming this way. It's about 500 yards. You're all right for now. If I yell, what they need to do is just get their heads down between their legs, you know. Kids here. Man, it's right above the church. Gosh. You know what? It's not a small tornado. That's the problem. It's big. It's a big tornado.
Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. That's it all the way through there?
So, you're all right. It's all right. You're all right. It's all right. I'm all right.